Right, for this experiment, we're going to be doing trial 1, which is a cart that's speeding up in the positive direction. Right, for this experiment, we're going to be doing trial 1, which is a cart that's speeding up in the positive direction. All right, so we're going to look at this trial 1 again, which is a cart speeding up in the positive direction. But we're also going to look at the acceleration time graph. If we look at these graphs that we had earlier, we notice that we're only interested in the region after the cart leaves my hand before it gets to the end of the ramp. So that's from about 1 second to a little before 4 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and replay this. I'm going to start. Pause. Take a look at the acceleration time graph now, the rest of the way. This is going to be trial 2, slowing down in the positive direction. All right, we're going to look at this again, except we're going to look at the acceleration graph. This is trial 2, slowing down in a positive direction. Now going over to acceleration.
Yep.
This is going to be trial 2, slowing down in a positive direction. This time, we're going to be speeding up but in a negative direction. You can tell we're going in the negative direction because the cart is going to be going from the end away from the motion sensor toward the motion sensor. Okay, so this is going to be speeding up in a negative direction. Again, this is going to be speeding up in the negative direction, but we're going to take a look at the acceleration time graph and play it. As you can tell, we're only really interested from about half a second until just about 3 seconds. Right, this is going to be trial 4, where the cart is going to be slowing down, moving up the ramp toward the motion sensor, so that'll be moving in the negative direction. Nope, we're going to do it again. Nope, just keep recording.
He did not keep recording.
So in this case, we've got the cart at the bottom of the ramp. It's going to be moving uphill toward the motion sensor, so it will be moving in the negative direction. In this case, we're going to look at the trial 4 slowing down in the negative direction and take a look at the acceleration time graph. So as you can tell from these initial graphs, we're only interested in the time from about 1 second to about 3.5 seconds. And resume. Very nice. All right, in this trial, and this is trial 5, we've got the cart and it's going to go up and back down the ramp. In this trial, and this is trial 5, we've got the cart and it's going to go up and back down the ramp.